Welcome to this meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to allow the eyes to close normally and naturally, and begin by drawing in a long, slow, deep breath, holding the breath for a moment, and slightly open the mouth and release all the air from the body. Just release and let go. Let go now. Repeat this breathing pattern for 3 more breaths. Returning the breath to its natural rhythm as you're feeling relaxed. Imagine or get a sense or a feeling that you're walking along a moonlit path. Overhead, the moon radiates a glow so powerful that the path sparkles with light and seems to beckon you on further and further. Feeling so happy, so playful, so content to be by yourself with only the moon, who seems so much like a friend showering you with love and companionship and comfort. You climb a small hill in front of you, and as you reach the top, you stop, motionless, mesmerized, eyes fixed on the moon, who seems so large and right above you now, as though it has come down to meet you. Feel the face warm and glow with happiness as you watch your friend of light radiate brighter and brighter until it projects a beam down around you, a spotlight of gleaming light. Keep your face tilted to the moon while the circle of light that has enveloped you begins to sparkle. Feel a tingling sensation which moves up from the feet to the legs, and as if some wondrous magic has occurred, they have become weightless, completely invisible. The tingling moves up over the hips and back and further upward until each part of the body it passes through fades and dissolves. Now the hands, the arms up through the shoulders and the neck and the face have all become weightless without feeling until the whole body has become completely invisible. But you are aware you are still thinking and feeling without the body. Where the forehead was, you feel you are still sitting there, so tiny, but you glisten and sparkle like a star with light, which seems not to be a reflection of the moon above, but of your own source coming from within you. You are a shining light. You feel so light, so free. You want to fly up and away. Gently the moon moves higher above you, and you, this tiny star of light, happily follow. Higher and higher you go. The path below is like a thread now, and even the earth is like a tiny ball. You feel as if there is a powerful magnet pulling you to it, and now you speed faster towards it, sparkling ever faster you go. You go so high that you pass the stars, and even the moon seems to wave you forward, onward and upward on this beautiful journey. You feel so light, freed from the heaviness of the body and from the heavy pull from the earth and sky. And still you feel a powerful energy pulling you onwards. An energy so loving you are filled with excitement, in anticipation. In front of you is a huge expanse of glowing red and gold. As you enter it, there is in front of you what seems a light shining like a diamond. Thousands of rays of shimmering light beams. Each ray reaches out and touches you, and together they gather you in and envelop you with rays of love. Pure, perfect love like you have never experienced before. Contentment and blissful happiness fill you to overflowing. You are complete. Coming from the depths of your being are feelings of such love and happiness like you never knew existed. You are experiencing everything you could ever dream of and more. There is nothing more. You are so full, so satisfied. Slowly and gently, this diamond of light releases you, except for one fine ray it attaches to you, and slowly you float away, away from the diamond light, through the glowing red and gold ocean that had created you. So slowly and so happily, you come back down past the stars, past the smiling moon, your friend who led you on a journey of such bliss and ecstasy you will never forget. Find yourself back over the path, and now on the hill. You feel you are sitting back in your forehead, still glowing with light and happiness. feel a tingle and you see the arms, the hands, the legs and feet are all slowly reappearing. You are back carrying with you the love and bliss that you not only remember but are still experiencing as you realize that the ray of light is still attached to the other world of red and gold. And you can feel that diamond light close to you and still showering you and empowering you with love and perfect contentment. Begin to bring yourself back into the room, returning energy to the body. And when you are ready, allow the eyes to open.